making soup, the participants must achieve one other thing, and that is purity.
So what on earth does he mean by purity? No flavor is the best flavor, so the cook can't add any seasoning to the soup. In the art of cookery, one way is to cook without adding seasoning to get the food's real taste. Cooks of the Shang and Chow dynasty had integrated the art of cookery with a philosophy that people understood. Purity is the best.
I don't understand. You give up the competition just for that rusty blade? You like this blade? You like to be chief? Don't blame me, Uncle. I'll let you be the chief for a day. It's time to start and begin.
Ken, what soup? What do you think? I need to get the ingredients.
Why are cabbages viewed as the best food? It's really silly, isn't it?
Cabbages mean a lot to the villagers and are plentiful. They're like our family in a way. Normally you wouldn't feel much, but when you lose it, you'll feel how much you love it. Trust me, you'll understand.
Come on. Cabbage and clear water. The master said, the title is not important. Sum's restaurant is what matters.
All right. Cabbage and clear water.
Master Tim, how are you gonna do this?
Preparation's important to succeed.
This dish is called clear water, right? It's because the soup is as clear as water. The method is mince the chicken thoroughly. Drop it evenly in the soup. When it sinks, it absorbs the fats and materials. And then, you'll notice the liquid getting clearer, slowly.
Come on. Get the cabbage.
Now these aren't normal cabbages. We must pick the heart of the cabbages and find the best quality. Then, get some fine needles like the ones someone would sew with. Stab the needles and make several fine holes. But don't ruin the look of the cabbages. add the cooked soup you've made into the pot with the cabbages. Then put it into the steamer to finish.
What's he doing now? Traditionally, only the bottom of the soup pot is heated, but this is going to change everything. And now, using this device, it'll receive heat even